Morning, my dear students. Yesterday, I have taught you the topic different steps of Holozoic nutrition, which involves the 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. Okay? Today, we will start our new topic, that is different ways of ingesting food in different animals. As we all are aware that the world have diversity, right? We have very diverse organisms in our environment and surroundings. So I will explain the aquatic organisms today, how they ingest food into their body. Okay, firstly I would like to give you information that about the organisms we are about to study. Now these organisms are aquatic organisms basically. Amoeba hai, paramecium, hydra. You won't be able to see them like that. Okay, you see these all in aquatic places. You are understanding the oceans, you could say the seas. Okay, so the very first is amoeba. We have elaborative topic as well about amoeba. Still I will give you a brief account of amoeba. What amoeba actually do? Ingest particles of food by projecting out its false feet called pseudopodium. जो अमीबा है इट हैज़ फीट, उसको फीट होते हैं, इनके फीट्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्यूडोपोडिया. what you call their feet, you call them as pseudopodium. Okay, next organism is paramecium. Now how parameciums engulf food? Actually what they do, they have hair like projections over their body. You could see that they have these hair like projections all over their body, and this is their mouth. Okay, so what they do, they just sweep the food particles by ciliate bands along water currents and take into their mouth. So ये जो ciliates होते हैं ये इनकी हेल्प से, जैसे हम लोग हैंड की हेल्प से फूड को इंजेस्ट करते हैं, वैसे पैरामेशियम जो है वो सीलिएट्स की हेल्प से करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ हाइड्रा. हाइड्रा बहुत ही डेंजरस ऑर्गेनिज्म है. सॉरी, किसके लिए? जो एक्वाटिक एनिमल्स हैं उनके लिए. बिकॉज व्हाट हाइड्रा डू फॉर इट्स न्यूट्रिशन? इंटैंगल, उलझाता है ये फर्स्टली. ठीक है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ इट्स टेंटिकल्स. यू कुड सी दैट दिस आर द टेंटिकल्स, राइट. इन टेंटिकल्स में ये एक्वाटिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स को एंटेंगल करता है, उलझाता है, पैरालिसिस करता है उनको. और इसके पास स्टिकिंग सेल्स होते हैं. स्टिकिंग सेल्स यू नो, चिपकने वाले सेल्स होते हैं जिनसे जो एक्वाटिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं दे गॉट स्टिक टू द टेंटिकल्स ऑफ द हाइड्रा एंड देन इट जस्ट becomes the food of the hydra. Okay, next, mouth we have discussed. Frog have a long sticky tongue. It's just flip and just take its food into its mouth. Now duck, it has its food very easily around the water bodies, and human beings generally used to have their food on dining table with the help of their hands to lift food into the mouth cavity. Okay, now nutrition, holozoic nutrition in amoeba. I will explain holozoic nutrition in amoeba with the help of slide I have prepared. Before that आप देख सकते हो ये मैंने पैरामेशियम की पिक्चर कैप्चर की है. दिस इज़ हाउ एक्चुअली पैरामेशियम लुक्स लाइक. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज़ इट्स माउथ. ठीक है, ये इनकी हेल्प से फूड को कैप्चर करता है और फिर यहाँ पे वो डाल लेता है और फिर बॉडी में अंदर फूड चले जाते हैं. ओके, पैरामेशियम इज़ अ स्मॉल यूनिसेलुलर एनिमल विच लिव्स इन वाटर. ओके, paramecium uses cilia to take food particles inside the body. This is hydra. You can see in the image that this is hydra. This is its tentacles about which I was talking. ये tentacles हैं. ठीक है, this is mosquito got stick in on the tentacles. Now it will get consumed inside the body of the hydra. Okay, Now, what is holozoic nutrition? I have explained yesterday that holozoic nutrition is the process of nutrition that take place in organisms which take solid and liquid food inside their body. Amoeba follows holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition involves कि वो सॉलिड लिक्विड दोनों कंज्यूम करते हैं. Holozoic nutrition amoeba में take place in 5 steps as we have talked yesterday. Now the process of nutrition in amoeba. The different process involved in holozoic nutrition in amoeba are, firstly is ingestion. Ingestion is the process of taking in the food into the body either by swallowing or absorbing. We all know that. Now amoeba pushes the food with the help of pseudopodia, and pseudopodia basically are the feeds of amoeba. ठीक है. Next, digestion is the process of breaking the insoluble large food molecules. जो आपके insoluble large food molecules होते हैं, आप उनको क्या करते हो, minute molecules में transform करते हो in the process of digestion with the help of some enzymes. ठीक है. इसके बाद आएगा absorption is the process in which you absorb the digestive molecules, right? And the nutrients from the digested food material are absorbed into the cell cytoplasm by leaving behind the undigested particles. तो फिर जो सेल वॉल होती है, ओके, सेल का साइटोप्लाज्म होता है, बेसिकली इट एब्जॉर्ब्स द मटेरियल वॉट एवर it requires for the energy and to carry out the processes of the body. Excess food जो है वो store हो जाता है in the form of glycogen and lipids. Now what is glycogen and lipids? It's a form of food, okay, in which the food is stored. ठीक है. Assimilation. Now what is assimilation? Assimilation is the process of obtaining energy from the absorbed food. Assimilation, whatever you absorb now you would carry out energy, that is included in the process of assimilation to carry out the life processes within the cell. Last one is egestion, the process of excretion of undigested food materials in amoeba. This process is carried out by रप्चरिंग द सेल मेम्ब्रेन टू रिमूव द, आप क्या होता है, सेल वॉल को रप्चर कर देते हो, डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हो, और जो मटेरियल अनडाइजेस्टेड होता है वो वहाँ से निकल जाता है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन इन अमीबा. ओके, दिस इज आई एम शोइंग यू द diagrammatic presentation about amoeba, and here you could see the 5 processes are written. This is how they go for the food consumption. Pseudopodia is there, it's just taking the food particle, right? You can see it in a better way now. Okay, now this is, I hope this picture is giving you information about the next topic. Next topic is digestive system of a human. It includes various parts. ठीक है. Human digestive system is a very complex machinery that we need to understand. The labeling are not clear in this one, but later I will explain you, so you would be able to know about all the parts. Actually the labeling are not clear because आप मुझे बताओगे, okay, what are the labelings. Okay, now, okay, digestion in human beings. Now alimentary canal versus digestive glands. ठीक है. एलिमेंट्री कैनाल क्या होता है, एक लॉन्ग कॉन्टिन्यूअस मस्कुलर ट्यूब होता है दैट इज कॉन्सिस्ट ऑफ वेरिंग डायमीटर एंड शेप. एलिमेंट्री कैनाल जो है वो डायमीटर या मतलब गोल होता है, ठीक है, और उसका अलग अलग शेप होता है. इन एन एडल्ट इट इज़ अबाउट 9 मीटर्स लॉन्ग. कितना लंबा होगा, 9 मीटर्स. एडल्ट में इट्स 9 मीटर लॉन्ग. ओके, and consists of the following parts. Alimentary canal में you have the following parts, that is mouth, esophagus, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. These constitute alimentary canal. Okay, the 6 things: mouth, esophagus, stomach, large small intestine, and rectum. Digestive glands have three, that is salivary gland, pancreas, and liver. Okay. Rest from mouth cavity I would explain you in our live class. Okay. Till then, bye and take care.